today we have a new Range Rover dropped off by the customer all the way from North London. It's the SV model, top of the range spec. Let me just show you something, guys. You know what, I like this. I like what this customer's done here. This customer, he's just picked up the car a week ago and he's just got these covers on here. He is going to take them off, guys, but for the time being he's just got these covers on here to protect the leather on the fresh seats. So the body of the car is going all satin black. Of course, we've got to listen to the customer. He wants all the trims in silver. The lettering he wants with the silver outline, but the middle of them are all going gloss black. We're going to be upgrading them wheels to the 24-inch Vortex alloy wheels in diamond cut. So they're going to have hints of silver, and the middle of the wheel is all going to be gloss black. This car is going to look very, very classy once it's done. We've also got the side vents, so he wants to retain this original look. So we're going to be leaving that as it is, but the body of the car is all going satin black. I forgot the main bit, guys. We're going to be fitting it with a Barugzai Soft Body Kit. So it's getting a front splitter, rear roof spoiler, mid-level boot spoiler, and the rear diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. But the exhaust tips are going silver this time to maintain that look which the customer wants to achieve, which is all these trims color coordinated. So it's going to be like a two-tone combo, black and silver, and I can't wait to see how this one turns out, guys. It's going to be looking different, unique, individual and bespoke. And this car, once it's done, it's going to be hitting up the roads of London. In the showroom, so we're going to be taking out the headlights in order to get a proper clean professional finish on this car, so the technician can wrap inside the wings. The front bumper's already been stripped down, the center grill's been removed, the side vent, door moldings, the handles, the petrol cap, rear bumper, these trims on the back quarters as well. So the car's all fully stripped down and ready to be vinyl wrapped. Right, what do I need to do? Just take it off?
Yeah, peel it.
All the way? All off, yeah?
Yeah, be confident.
I've seen some people where they do half of it. And
then you do half on a panel, it's a petrol covers.
Ready? It's quite satisfying, this, isn't it?
You're a master, you don't
There we go, there we go, there we go, that's better. There we go. Yeah? Yeah?
Keep it pulled.
There we go. You make it look easy. I'll let you crack on.
Yeah, you weren't lying when you said you were busy, were you?
Yeah, mega busy. Let's show you now. Just come straight through here. Right, Rob, this is where the magic happens.
Wow, what a difference.
All the G-Wagons at the moment, all around the workshop. And then in amongst them, we've got your Range Rover. Let me start the car up if you just stay there. Let's show you how them lights work.
Wow.
Are they on?
That's stunning.
Yeah?
Wow.
So you've got two lights on either side. Then you've got the Barugzai lettering, new Barugzai tablet badge on that centre grille. So you've got your new front bumper, front splitter, then you got your fog lights at the bottom. I'll put some bonnet vents on for you as well.
Thank you very much,
no
you're a
worries.
gentleman.
Anytime, so I thought, let's have
it just brings it back up,
yeah,
doesn't it?
Yeah, let's have a few little
absolutely.
special touches, because I noticed you had these facelift side vents.
Yeah, done them, yeah.
I was thinking it's missing something on the car.
Yeah, them.
So I thought he needs them. So you got the new side steps to get in and out of the car.
I quite like it with grey band on, to be fair.
Looks quite, it's different, isn't it? It's different.
Do you know, I do quite like that, to be fair.
Yeah. And then we'll go around the back of the car, show you what we've done to the back. You've got your new rear bumper.
Oh wow, that looks absolutely stunning.
Quad exhaust tips. And then you like adding a few little mods yourself.
Yeah.
So you've already had these done before.
Yeah.
And then we've put the new lettering on for you. New shield, debadged it, and stuck your new fresh number plates on the front.
Lovely.
Happy?
Absolutely. It's absolutely brilliant, lads.
And I can tell you're a proper petrol head. You like doing all these little mods and
Yeah, I just like to make
modifications.
things different.
Yeah, I've noticed you've added loads of carbon all over the car.
Yeah.
You've got carbon everywhere.
Yeah.
You've got carbon steering wheel, carbon fibre
Inside, yeah.
on the bonnet,
Yeah.
door mouldings,
Yeah.
even these little pieces here.
Yeah, just to make it look different, that's all.
Yeah, no, I like it, I like
It needs
it.
some wheels now, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Let us know when you're ready for the wheels.
Yeah.
But enjoy the car for the time being.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Nav's already given me a price for them, so he's done me a good deal on them and all, to
Yeah?
be fair. Give me
Okay.
a good price.
Fair
It just
enough.
looks stunning, doesn't it?
No, it looks nice. It's different. It's different.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. I didn't want the boy racer look, I
Yeah,
just
yeah.
wanted something a little bit more aggressive
Yeah,
and something that's just a little bit different to
Yeah,
what
yeah.
else is riding around York.
true. Yeah. Oh, I forgot you're from York,
Yeah,
aren't you?
yeah.
I think you're a Leeds United fan.
I am a Leeds United
Are you?
fan. Yeah, I am. Yeah,
Season
definitely.
ticket holder or?
No, I used to be.
you?
Used to be, yeah. Look, here we go, lads.
Oh wow. Wow. Marching on together.
Yeah, and I've got side before self every time up the arm, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, Leeds, come on.
like it.
Bradford were a bit unfortunate last night, weren't they?
I've not really kept up with Bradford, to be honest.
Yeah, they
with
got beat in playoffs, I think.
Did they?
Unfortunately, yeah. So,
you. Leeds are the bigger club.
well, they are, but yeah, well,
I mean, they've done better than Bradford City and Huddersfield Town at the moment. I think.
we're Yorkshire's number one for now.
yeah. For now.
Yeah, for now. We
Even
could be
Sheffield.
relegated next year.
They stayed up this year, didn't they?
Yep. We did it with 3 games to go, so we've done all right, to be fair.
Not bad.
So we've exceeded expectation, I think, because a lot of people were looking at Leeds going down.
Yeah.
We've
I
stayed
think
up.
Burnley are going down.
Burnley have gone. Yeah. Wolverhampton have gone. It's between West Ham and, believe it or not, Tottenham. Yeah.
Interesting. What are you
Yeah.
thinking? Who do you think's going down?
I'd like to see Tottenham go.
Yeah, I'd like to see Tottenham go down
Yeah,
as well.
definitely.
I'd like to see him go
Yeah,
down.
and I think they just might, because they won't get. I don't think they'll get out at Chelsea.
Yeah.
And I think Everton will be pushing for Europe. So, and I think West Ham will do Leeds at their ground.
Yeah.
So, and I think maybe West Ham might get something at Newcastle as well. So,
Yeah, this is going to be an interesting
I'd
one.
like to see Tottenham go. I would.
I think a lot of people want to see
Yeah,
Tottenham go down.
definitely.
I think a lot of people.
Been a Leeds fan, yeah, definitely Tottenham to go. Definitely.
No worries. And hope you enjoy the car, Rob.
Thank you very much, guys.
Make sure you take good care of it. I know you take care of your car as it is.
I do. Yeah.
But, yeah.
No, I'm really, really pleased with that. Absolutely. It looks absolutely stunning. It really does.
Looks
And
nice.
thanks for all the little bits you've done.
No,
I do
anytime.
appreciate it. I
Anytime.
really
Just
do.
make sure you leave us a good Google review.
Oh, don't you worry, I'll do that.
And hopefully it exceeds the expectations. But all the best, Rob.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
You're a gentleman, thank
no
you.
worries. I'll give you the keys.
Thank you.
And then I'll get the boys just to get it driven around for you.
Yeah, because I'll probably write it off.
Sorted.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Yomi, how's it going?
Good, and yourself?
All good, all good. I thought I'd give you a quick update on the car. It's all been wrapped. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, I hope I don't regret it. The kits are going to be gloss black, no?
Correct, yeah, all the kit's going to be gloss black, yes.
And then the side panels on the doors that you remove, those are going to stay gloss black as well.
Correct, yeah, the door mouldings at the bottom, yes.
Top man. And don't forget the boot, it's got that silver trim as well.
Yes, correct. The boot trim at the back will be staying silver, yes.
In the middle, yeah,
Yes,
top man.
yes,
And
yes.
then what, you do the tints after?
The tints will be done right at the end because I don't want any dust and anything getting into the tints. So I'm going to get the car all mini valeted, cleaned, wheels put on the car, downstairs in the showroom, and then we're going to do the tints right at the end.
Thank you, my man. Take it
worries.
easy and have a good day.
Take care,
brother.
you too. Thank you, cheers, bye. Alright guys, Mr. Yomi, very, very meticulous. I like his style, I like his character. He's always on the ball, he knows what he wants, and I thought I'd quickly catch up with him and confirm everything, because the last thing that you want is we stick something on that he doesn't want. So we've quickly confirmed that with him. We've got the green light to proceed, and now the vinyl wrap is all done. Just a matter of sticking the body kit on and the rest of the trims back onto the vehicle. Wow, what a transformation this has been. This looks timeless. Timeless and classy. Exactly what the customer requested. You wanted all the trims and accents to remain silver. And as you can see, center grille is silver. We've got the 4 fins in the front bumper. we've done gloss black lettering with the chrome outline, and we've wrapped the full body of the car in satin black. Gloss black front lip as well. 24-inch Vortex alloy wheels in diamond cut. The middle of the wheels is in gloss black. What a nice combination this is. Satin black body, gloss black trims, and then we've got the hints of silver that continue throughout the car. Gloss black door moldings. Look at the rear end on this Range Rover, guys. Rear roof spoiler in gloss black, mid-level boot spoiler in gloss black, got the SV badge that's been stuck back on, and look at that rear bumper diffuser with the quad exhaust tips in silver. It looks very classy, subtle, and not too boisterous. It's just the right balance. It's just perfect, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let me know what your feedback, and on to the next one.